Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Bounce on Snapchat Android. Open Snapchat and record a short video or choose one from your camera roll, then tap the preview to enter editing. Press and hold the video clip and select Bounce from the Motion Effects menu, then adjust the start and end points by dragging the handles to pick the exact moment to loop. Save or send the snap when you are happy with the result. Prepare your shot by framing the subject and keeping the phone steady, then record a short clip with a clear motion you want to loop. Aim for concise actions like a jump, smile, or hand gesture so Bounce can find a clean loop point. After recording, preview and trim the clip to the moment of interest, then apply Bounce and fine-tune the loop handles until the back-and-forth motion looks seamless and fun. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless, and it navigates around cords while you make creative snaps. This little helper keeps your floors camera-ready with minimal effort. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After applying Bounce, refine the loop by dragging the handles to isolate the clearest movement, and trim any leading or trailing frames that cause glitches. Experiment with playback speed and slow motion to create dramatic or comedic effects, and layer stickers or captions to draw attention to the loop point. If the loop looks jumpy, try a slightly different start time or re-record with a smoother action to improve the back-and-forth transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.